Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. It's a B day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSF Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, second grade scholars were having a great time in their virtual field lesson with Camp Rio. I'm so glad you all were able to join. Also, scholars were preparing for next week's Thanksgiving break. So make sure that you have something planned because you're off all next week. It's the anti-bullying out of uniform. So today is neon shirt day with jeans. Tomorrow is unique socks with a college shirt and jeans. So tomorrow, I can't wait to see all of your unique socks and today your neon shirts with jeans. Also, remember, scholars, today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.